Look at our forecast. Elyse?
Hey there, Tom. This morning was just a taste of the colder weather that's to come later this weekend, day by day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Big changes for you right off the bat as we begin this brand new week. Now, tomorrow morning, it's still going to be quite cold in the morning. Temperatures are starting in the upper 30s, but generally for your holiday, for President's Day, it's going to be another lovely winter day with high temperatures reaching the low 60s, lots of sunshine. And then on Tuesday, we actually have the chance for a few strong to severe thunderstorms before we get any of the cold weather. We are going to be monitoring the chance for a few of those thunderstorms, especially into the afternoon and evening hours. But that front right now, the timing of it, it's sped up. So Wednesday looking to be a much colder day, and with winds out of the north, potentially gusting up to 30 miles per hour. That is going to make for a very cold day in southeast Texas. As for looking ahead to this week, though, the 2 days you need to know, Thursday, Friday morning, we are still forecasting temperatures to be below freezing, but not necessarily as cold, though we could still see freezing conditions here in southeast Texas. We're going to have more on this low temperature, of course, forecast, the high temperature forecast, and those thunderstorms we could see Tuesday coming up in my full forecast.
Elyse, thank you. Now to some breaking news from...
And we here in southeast Texas are preparing for our own blast of winter weather that will arrive later this week. And comparing it to how we began the month, we had record warm temperatures day by day. This week is going to feel a whole lot colder, even though we are at this point forecasting temperatures to be slightly warmer, but ever so slightly. Here is the latest thinking with this midweek freeze we are anticipating. Higher confidence that this Arctic front is going to plow through Texas, and it will eventually reach us a little sooner, potentially by early Wednesday morning, as that front moves through Tuesday night. So by Wednesday morning, that is when you're going to need all your winter weather gear. It's going to be an extremely cold midweek forecast. As for those freezing mornings, or at least temperatures below freezing, still in the forecast for Thursday and Friday morning, but I did adjust temperatures slightly with the latest analysis. Now forecasting a morning low of 27 for Thursday morning instead of 24, and then 31 degrees for Friday morning. Still, that is below freezing. You would need to prepare your plants, your pipes, your people, your pets, everybody for this freeze. And then also the latest analysis on that potential system to move in later in the week. Even with temperatures above freezing, that would mean a cold rain, but that is really the latest evolution of this, the latest question mark we have. As of right now, though, remember, Tuesday ahead of this big front, have another weather system that could bring us some stronger thunderstorms. Then that Arctic front moves through Tuesday into Wednesday night. Tuesday is going to be cold. Thursday is especially going to feel cold, even with a bright and sunny sky. But as we move into later in the week, we will be watching for that coastal low to potentially develop over the northern Gulf, and on the northern side of it, that's where we could have some precipitation. And right now, temperatures are forecasted to be well above freezing. Even 40 degrees, that would be quote-unquote warm enough to have rainfall instead of another kind of wintry precipitation. So right now we have rain in the forecast for Friday and Saturday. It's a small chance. We have to see how far north of that precipitation could extend from the low, but it is something that we have also adjusted as well. Tomorrow for President's Day, it's going to be a beautiful day. Lots of sunshine, clouds build late in the day because we have a rain chance on Tuesday. Not just a rain chance, a thunderstorm chance as well. This is the severe weather outlook for Tuesday from the Storm Prediction Center, and you can see much of southeast Texas included in that potential risk area. The main concerns, if we were to see any stronger storms that day into the afternoon and evening on Tuesday, that would be the chance for gusty winds and potentially some hail, as we do have those cold temperatures coming in. And if some of those cold temperatures higher in the sky sneak here a little close, a little faster, that's where we would have to watch for some hail to form within those clouds. Meanwhile, another beautiful sunset tonight. I got distracted by the sunset yesterday. It was so gorgeous. 55 degrees right now in the city of Houston, and closer to the coast right now in Galveston. You also got pretty cold today too. 58 degrees. Water temperatures, though, still in the 60s, so relatively warm, thinking of the cold weather that's going to come our way. And as for tonight, another cold night. One thing I want to point out about the chilly temperatures, it looks like the freeze line could move into the northern Brazos Valley and pass through College Station. But here in Houston, 39 degrees is our forecast morning low for tomorrow. Most of us will be above freezing. Playing through Future Track now, I don't have a lot to talk about in the near term. It's going to be a clear night for us and a bright sunny start to the day. That's going to help us warm into the 60s. But by tomorrow afternoon and evening, we start to see winds shift. We get that cloud cover moving in, and then we have a cloudy day into Tuesday with also the potential chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Rest of your 10-day forecast, we still got you on Weather Watch for Thursday morning with temperatures below freezing, likely for several hours Wednesday night into Thursday morning. We do warm up, though, heading into the weekend with 70-degree temperatures as we head into next week. And we'll be right back after the break.
Warm today and tomorrow, but then it gets cold in a hurry.
I was going to say, yeah, by Wednesday, it's definitely going to feel colder, especially when you factor in the breeze. I know we had a little bit of a breeze today, but winds out of the north gusting up to 30 miles per hour. There is going to be a significant wind chill in the forecast for Wednesday. Then temperatures Wednesday night will fall pretty quickly, so still have several hours Thursday night where we could be below freezing.
All right, thank you. And thank you for being with us. We hope to see you at 10.